This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your carrier plan supports tethering and that you have cellular data. This avoids wasted steps. Once done, make sure cellular data is on and Wi-Fi or Bluetooth are enabled for connection flexibility, because some devices need them to advertise the hotspot. Next, open the Settings app and tap Cellular or Mobile Data. This is where the personal hotspot setting lives on most devices, so go straight there to continue configure. You now tap Personal Hotspot or Hotspot and Tethering in the cellular menu. On some phones, it's nested under Network Settings, so check nearby sections if needed. Toggle Allow others to join or enable hotspot, then create a strong Wi-Fi password. This secures your link and prevents unauthorized use. Make sure you note whether devices will connect via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB, because the connection method affects speed and battery drain. You finish by connecting a client device. Choose the hotspot SSID from Wi-Fi settings and enter the password you set. Once connected, check internet access. If you need stability or faster speeds, plug in via USB, and if you want lower battery use, try Bluetooth pairing. If something goes wrong, restart both devices, reset network settings, and make sure your plan allows tethering. If the problem persists, call your carrier for provisioning or account troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.